Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone is unlocked and ready. Make sure battery is above minimal level so it won't interrupt settings changes. Open the Settings app now, and once inside, use the search field to type security or accessibility to speed things up. If search shows emergency SOS or lock screen options, tap those. Otherwise, navigate to security, lock screen and password, or accessibility depending on color OS layout. This first step gets you straight to the controls that govern emergency, called Quick Access. Once done, go directly into lock screen and password or the security section and look for emergency SOS, emergency information, or emergency call shortcuts. Different color OS builds place the feature under lock screen or accessibility, so check both if needed. When you find emergency call Quick Access, read the label to confirm it controls the lock screen shortcut or the power button double press. Make sure to note whether it's enabled so you can safely change it without affecting other emergency features. Now disable the emergency call Quick Access by toggling the shortcut or the double press SOS option off. This explicitly prevents the lock screen icon or power button shortcut from appearing. After toggling, lock the phone and test by waking the screen to verify the emergency icon is gone. If it still shows, reopen the setting to confirm the change saved. If problems persist, reboot the handset and recheck accessibility for an overlapping emergency option. Rebooting often clears UI cache and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.